Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sandbox Bloons TD. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Play button. From there, choose any map you've already completed on any difficulty. This unlocks Sandbox mode, letting you experiment freely. You can set your starting cash, lives, and even the round number. It's perfect for practicing new tower placements and hero abilities. Once in Sandbox, you'll see options to customize your game. Pick your preferred map and difficulty level. Then, use the sliders to set your starting cash, lives, and the round you want to begin on. This flexibility allows you to simulate various scenarios. You can even send specific bloon types, like a single fortified BAD, to test your ultimate defenses. Now for the fun part, testing. Place any tower you want, even those you haven't unlocked in regular play, and upgrade them fully. Experiment with different hero placements and their unique abilities. Send various bloon waves to see how your defenses hold up. This is your chance to discover powerful tower synergies and optimal upgrade paths without worrying about losing. For advanced testing, use the Reset Round button to quickly reevaluate your setup. You can also restart the entire game with your current settings. The Send Bloon feature is incredibly useful for sending specific bloon types, like a Zomg or a DDT, to pinpoint weaknesses. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.